Well, hello everyone. So this is nail art design we're going to be working on this week. I decided to do something really simple for Valentine's Day. Plus I wanted a nail art design that's really quick because I didn't have a lot of time, and I wanted something simple, something that's really easy to do. So the first thing I did was I painted on a black French manicure. I just used my black nail polish by Clean Colors. It's number 5 by Clean Colors. So I just applied that on the tip of my nail. The rest of the nail art design I will be hand painting. I'm going to be using white, neon pink, and black acrylic paint. Also, I'm going to be using these little square neon pink studs that you see on my nails. I'm going to be using them. This is what they look like. And these were a review that I did for bornprettystore.com. They come in a wheel like this, and they have some that's round in there, and some that are shaped like a square. And you can see the colors. They come in orange, purple, neon pink, neon lime, and neon green, and neon blue. So those are the colors that's in there. And like I said, these were a review that I did for bornprettystore.com. I'll go back and see can I find the link and put it in the info box. If I can't find the link to it, I'm pretty sure that eBay probably carry those as well. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Like I said, this is going to be a really quick design. I don't have a lot of time today, so it's going to be a really quick design. So that is basically it for this nail design. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.
Yeah.